Okay. Just give me thumbs up. महक,
टीचर आपने अनम्यूट की ऑप्शन दी है।
जी बेटे,
जब मैंने कहा आपने अनम्यूट की ऑप्शन दी है, कुछ कहने?
मैं आपसे पूछ रही हूँ कि बुक्स किस किस के पास हैं राइट नाउ?
जो
हु
मेरे
हैज
पास है,
परचेज्ड?
जो
ओके,
मेरे पास है।
जुवेरिया, हैव यू परचेज्ड द बुक?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, Fatima, you also. Hassan, what about you bete?
मैम यस है बुक।
Okay, Fatima, Mehak, have you purchased it?
नहीं टीचर अभी नहीं ली।
बेटे कब लेनी है?
चले लूंगी।
कब मुझे बताएं, डेट बताएं। इन द नेक्स्ट क्लास बुक
यस टीचर नेक्स्ट क्लास में मैं ले आऊंगी।
आपके पास, ठीक है?
मैम आपकी
देखिए, अगर
आवाज
आपके
बहुत
पास
अटक
बुक नहीं
रही है।
होगी तो आप कैसे पढ़ोगे? अटक
जी टीचर, अटक रही है।
आवाज।
समझ नहीं आ रही आपकी वॉइस टीचर।
आई थिंक कनेक्शन का इशू है, दैट्स व्हाई लाइट नहीं आ रही, मैं उधर से हो। यस जो है बेटे, डू यू हैव द बुक? Give me a
Teacher, आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही।
अब आवाज ठीक आ रही है? क्लास 10 अब
Yes,
आवाज
ma'am,
ठीक आ रही है
अब
आपको बेटे? आवाज आ
मैम पहले
No,
आई थी
teacher.
फिर चली गई, फिर चली गई है।
आवाज आ रही है मेरी अब आपको?
जी
Yes.
टीचर, अब
यस
आ
अब
रही
आ
है।
रही है।
अब आ रही है।
ठीक है, जहां पे भी इंटरप्शन हो यू हैव टू टेल मी, ठीक है? देन आई विल चेंज माय सीट अकॉर्डिंगली। ओके, ऑल ऑफ यू प्लीज ओपन योर बुक्स। इट्स पेज
टीचर
नंबर
आप
3।
पीटीसीएल तो नहीं यूज कर रही?
नहीं नहीं साथ, नो, स्टे क्वाइट एंड कम बैक ऑन द वर्क। Alright. Okay, ji, we are going to start our today's lecture with page number 3. Last time जो हमने डिस्कस किया था, who is going to tell me? जल्दी से, without wasting any time, tell me what we
टीचर
have discussed.
मैं बताऊं?
Yes sir, बताएं।
टीचर हमने ये पढ़ा था कि कैल्शियम ऑक्साइड जब कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड से मिलता है तो वो क्या बनता है? कैल्शियम कार्बोनेट।
No, we didn't discuss it yet. हमने तो ये एग्जांपल को छेड़ा भी नहीं था अभी तक।
अच्छा, फिर मैंने ये पढ़ लिया।
No, गलत आंसर। जुहेब,
टीचर आपने पहले टीचर इक्विलिब्रियम के बारे में बताया था,
गुड।
उसके बाद फिर आपने इरिवर्सिबल रिएक्शंस और रिवर्सिबल रिएक्शंस के बारे में,
शाबाश।
और
ये
फिर
रिवर्सिबल
उसके
रिएक्शंस
बाद
क्या होते हैं?
जो रिवर्स नहीं हो सकती,
ठीक है, गुड। एंड व्हाट आर रिवर्सिबल रिएक्शंस?
which can be reversed.
Which can be reversed. Good. Hassan, tell me, in reversible reactions, how many reactions are there? कितने reactions होते हैं?
Yes, ma'am.
Hassan, give me the answer.
Ma'am, can you repeat the question?
I am saying how many reactions are included in reversible reactions? Tell me in the number. Either it's 3, 2, 1.
Ma'am, 2.
Yes, name them.
मैम नेम नहीं पता।
देख लें। That's really very bad. मैंने आपसे कहा था याद मत कीजिए, at least एक दफा go through कर लें to understand the concept. Javeria, tell me the name of the reactions which are included in reversible reactions.
Forward reactions and reverse reactions.
Very good. there are two types of reactions. One is forward and the other one is reverse reaction. Either the reaction is moving in forward direction, either the reaction is moving in reverse direction. Okay. Now we are going to start with the next example, and we have discussed about hydrogen iodide example. And I have told you, Saad, I am specially telling it to you that we have done with the hydrogen iodide example. When hydrogen gas is mixed with iodine, which is of purple color, it is going to be formed hydrogen iodide, which is of colorless, right? And it is a kind of reaction which is not reversible. But what happens when we start heating that hydrogen iodide which is formed? We get again hydrogen gas along with iodine gas. So this is a kind of reversible reaction, and you can see it in the diagram as well. Here it is. That iodine gas is of purple color and then hydrogen gas, and the two processes, forward reaction is known as combination and the reverse reaction is known as decomposition. And I have told you the meaning of decomposition. What was the meaning? Decomposition. Yes, tell me, hurry up.
Teacher,
to
broken
break.
down.
Yeah, it's breakdown. Good. Breakdown यानी hydrogen iodide gas जब दोबारा से split होती है into hydrogen and iodine gas, that is known as decomposition. Now coming towards the second example, you can mark example number 2 on it, because all of you must know that we have to make headings as much as possible. So you can write down example number 2. Let us have another example. When calcium oxide को underline कीजिए और इसके ऊपर इसका formula लिख लें. C is capital, A is small and capital O. Calcium oxide, CaO, and carbon dioxide. And carbon dioxide के underline करके इसके ऊपर भी इसका formula write it down. Reacts, they produce calcium carbonate. Calcium is Ca, carbonate is CO3. So this is a reaction. You can see in the equation as well that when calcium oxide is going to be react with carbon dioxide gas, we get calcium carbonate, and it is the reaction of combination. When two reactants are going to be combined with each other, right? Then move on the next page, which is page number 4. Right. Now, what happens in the reverse reaction? On the other hand, when calcium carbonate is heated in an open flask, it decomposes to form calcium oxide and carbon dioxide gas. Decomposes means it is going to be break down into calcium oxide and carbon dioxide. Means the reactants and products are converting. मतलब उनकी side change हो जाएगी, तो we will say that it is the reaction of decomposition. पहले हम इन दोनों reactions को separately लिख रहे हैं, then we are going to combine it up. What happens? Carbon dioxide gas escapes out and reaction goes to completion. Now you can see in the diagram. Let me zoom in for you. All right. You can see here the first one. This is the irreversible reaction. Why it is irreversible? Because the carbon dioxide which is going to be produced over here, it is not stopped in that flask. उसको हमने उस flask में बंद नहीं किया है. We didn't put stoppers on that and we consider it to evaporate. Like see in the first flask, calcium carbonate is heated, and then what is happening? Calcium oxide along with carbon dioxide gas is going to be formed, and carbon dioxide gas which is going to be produced, it is going to be evaporated, so it's not possible the reaction is reversible at this stage, right? Then what happens if we do it in a look, there is written reversible reaction. So what happens, all the carbon dioxide gas which is going to be produced over here, it is reaction can move in both directions. Like you can see in the equation that calcium carbonate, wait a minute.
Excuse me, teacher.
टीचर ने लीव कर दी है।
टीचर है ही नहीं।
उनका नेट
पीटीसीएल के यूजर्स हैं।
उनका नेटवर्क प्रॉब्लम होने लेफ्ट हो गई हैं।
हाँ भी मैं आपको बता रहा हूँ पीटीसीएल यूजर्स हैं।
अब क्या कर सकते हैं, साल पीटीसीएल का।
रिकॉर्डिंग अभी तक हो रही
वो तो एपीएस ग्रामर स्कूल वाले कर रहे हैं ना रिकॉर्डिंग।
है। हाँ बस ऐसे ही बता रहा हूँ, रिकॉर्डिंग अभी तक हो रही है, हमारी आवाज भी रिकॉर्ड होकर यूट्यूब पे जाएगी।
चलो टीचर
आ
आ
गई
गई
है
है,
टीचर।
आ गई मैम।
Okay, I'm sorry, I don't know what happened.
टीचर आप यहाँ ये वाला पेज दोबारा रिपीट कर दें 4, मुझे तो कुछ
कर
समझ ही
रही
नहीं।
हूँ साथ, अपनी जबान आपने बंद रखनी है। Let me mute all of you. Let me share the screen. Okay, meanwhile, I am telling you what I was telling you. It was on page number 4, right? On page number 4, I was saying that if calcium carbonate's reaction is carried out in a stoppered flask, then it is possible that carbon dioxide should not be escaped and it will remain in the same container. तो तभी possible होगा that reversible reaction is going to be carried out, right? So in these two reactions, now I'm going to read from the second paragraph of page number 4. I'm unable to share the screen right now. That's why I'm not sharing it. As I get the access, I will open it for you. But now you can look at your books. Okay? Okay, I got it now. Here it is. ठीक है, यहाँ तक क्लियर है। अब इसको हम line by line, step by step पढ़ेंगे. That basically what happens in these two reactions. Decomposition is reversed to combination or vice versa. Vice versa means either combination is reversed to decomposition or decomposition is reversed to combination. यानी दोनों बातें at a time हो सकती हैं. That is known as vice versa. When calcium carbonate is heated in a closed flask so that carbon dioxide cannot escape out as shown in the figure. Initially only decomposition takes place, that is the forward reaction जो देख रहे हो आप without stoppers के है diagram में, right? This one. But after a while carbon dioxide starts combining with calcium oxide to form calcium carbonate. This is the reverse reaction, which is combination. In the beginning, forward reaction is fast and reverse reaction is slow. But eventually, the reverse reaction speeds up and both reactions go on at the same rate. At this stage, decomposition and combination takes place at the same rate but in opposite directions. As a result, amounts of calcium carbonate, calcium oxide, and carbon dioxide do not change. It is written as calcium carbonate gives us calcium oxide plus carbon dioxide gas. ओके सो ये सारी की सारी वही बात लिखी हुई है विच आई हैव टोल्ड यू कि किस तरीके से कैल्शियम कार्बोनेट जो है वो कैल्शियम ऑक्साइड और कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड में डिसोसिएट होगा. सिंपली बस जो इसमें एक इम्पॉर्टेंट एमसीक्यू भी है एट द एंड, वो ये है कि अमाउंट ऑफ कैल्शियम कार्बोनेट, कैल्शियम ऑक्साइड एंड कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड, इट डज नॉट चेंज. and hence the reaction is calcium carbonate gives us calcium oxide plus carbon dioxide gas. When we think of the term equilibrium, the first word that usually comes to mind is balance, जो कि मैंने आपको कल बताया था. However, the balance may be achieved in a variety of ways. Till here, carbon dioxide gas जहाँ पे equation है, यहाँ पे हमारी example number 2 complete हो जाती है. Now listen very carefully. If the question comes that what is reversible reaction, open page number 2, वहां से बता रही हूँ आपको मैं. What is reversible reaction and dynamic equilibrium? तो आपने ये सारा टॉपिक एज अ लॉन्ग क्वेश्चन यहाँ तक अटेम्प्ट करना है till example number 2, right? Then coming towards then we are allowed to write till calcium carbonate example. Let's say if it is of 2 mark, तो इसमें से जो question आता है that is what is reversible reaction, you have to mention in 2 or 3 points the definition of reversible reactions, that how it is going to be represented, and आपको पता होना चाहिए कि हम इसको show करेंगे. The reaction can be shown into 2 directions, that is forward and reverse reaction, right? Similarly then आप एक example लिख सकते हो इसके साथ, just give the equation of hydrogen iodide and then your equation or question is going to be completed. But if it comes as a long question तो फिर आपने ये दोनों की दोनों examples लिखनी है. अब उसके बाद जो नीचे वाला टॉपिक है ना, यहाँ से when we think of the term equilibrium, this is a separate topic. इसमें अब एक और छोटा सा क्वेश्चन बन जाता है वो हम पढ़ने लगे हैं, what is dynamic equilibrium state. So in the last lecture I have told you the basic meaning of equilibrium is balance. So we are going to study about what is chemical equilibrium state. When the rate of forward reaction is the same as the rate of reverse reaction, means जितनी reactants हैं वो products में convert हो रहे हैं, and in the same quantity products जो हैं वो reactants में convert हो रहे हैं, we will say it is the same reaction, means reactants will become equal to the products. We will say the rate of the forward reaction is the same as the rate of reverse reaction. The composition of the reaction mixture remains constant and it is called a chemical equilibrium state. This is the definition. इसको आप underline करें और highlight करें, chemical equilibrium state क्या है. और साथ में आप लिख सकते हो छोटा सा key point that rate of forward reaction is equal to rate of reverse reaction, right? समझ आ रही है सबको यहाँ तक? बेटे यहाँ तक समझ आ गया सबको?
मैम
Yes,
एंड पे
teacher.
आपने वो पॉइंट कौन सा बताया था?
कौन सा अभी जो मैंने बोले?
यस मैम.
मैं रिपीट कर देती हूँ. वहाँ कैल्शियम कार्बोनेट क्लियर है सबको?
Yes.
ओके फाइन. आई एम रिपीटिंग इट. आई एम सेइंग कि आपको जब भी बुक खोलनी होती है you have to make some points ताकि आपको पूरा का पूरा पढ़ने की बजाय सिर्फ वो याद हो. जैसे केमिकल इक्विलिब्रियम स्टेट है, उनकी 2 लाइंस में यही कहा जा रहा है when the rate of forward reaction is same as the rate of reverse reaction. तो आप इसके साइड पे छोटा सा लिख सकते हैं rate of forward reaction. Forward reaction को आप F.R के साथ रिप्रेजेंट कर सकते हो in your book, not in the papers, just key notes बनाने के लिए. Is equal to rate of reverse reaction. Reverse reaction को आप capital R के साथ रिप्रेजेंट कर सकते हैं ताकि जब आप खोलें बुक तो आपको याद रहे कि व्हाट इज केमिकल इक्विलिब्रियम स्टेट. ठीक है?
सिग्नेचर चाहिए
जी बेटा.
यही लाइन चर पेज के एंड पे लिखी हुई है, 4 पेज के एंड पे.
हाँ जी लिखी हुई है, लेकिन ऊपर भी मैं इसलिए बता रही हूँ, नीचे दो और फर्दर टाइप्स आ जाएंगी ना, इसलिए बता रही हूँ. ऊपर भी लिख लेंगे तो दैट इज मोर कन्वीनियंट. ठीक हो गया? Now what happens when equilibrium achieve? We have 2 different kinds of possibility. 2 तरह का इक्विलिब्रियम हमारे पास अचीव हो सकता है. नंबर 1 जो है दैट इज नोन एज स्टैटिक इक्विलिब्रियम. यहाँ पे आपको लाइन में लिखा हुआ नजर आएगा. यू कैन मार्क अ हेडिंग एज वेल, स्टैटिक इक्विलिब्रियम. नाउ स्टैटिक मींस स्टॉप, रुका हुआ, साकिन, दैट कांट बी मूव. ठीक है? जो उसकी अचीव हुई चीज दैट विल रिमेन द सेम. तो इस इक्विलिब्रियम की आगे एग्जांपल है दैट व्हाट इज स्टैटिक इक्विलिब्रियम. जब रिएक्शन स्टॉप हो जाता है, व्हेन रिएक्शन सीज टू प्रोसीड. सीज इज मींस स्टॉप. आप लिख लो इसका मीनिंग सो दैट इट विल बी कन्वीनियंट टू लर्न. When reaction ceases to proceed, it is called static equilibrium. This happens mostly in physical phenomenon. Now, what is physical phenomenon? Anybody knows? Physical phenomena.
जब वो काम जो फिजिकली करते हैं
वो काम जो फिजिकली करते हैं, देखिए मैं आपको बताऊं, अगर केमिस्ट्री की हम देखें तो मोस्टली हम केमिकल कंपोजिशन लाइक कार्बन, कैल्शियम कार्बोनेट की हम बात कर रहे थे, तो हमारे पास था कि कैल्शियम ऑक्साइड एंड कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड गैस इज गोइंग टू बी फॉर्म, लेकिन हम उसको देख नहीं सकते. इट इज हैपनिंग but we can't see it. This is known as chemical phenomena. But the physical phenomena which can be seen from our own eye, right? So for example, a building remains standing rather than falling down because all the forces acting on it are balanced. This is an example of static equilibrium. Like human beings ko bhi agar aap dekhen, we are in the posture of static equilibrium. We are movable, but this is a physical phenomena which we can see by our naked eye. Similarly, the houses, the school buildings and the other buildings are remaining the same. This is an equilibrium of static equilibrium के जितनी forces उनके अंदर जिस तरीके से हमने बनाया है, that are going to be remain the same. Then the other is dynamic equilibrium state, जिसकी heading आपको दी हुई है, and it is important that when reaction does not stop, like it is happening in calcium carbonate, that only the rates of forward and reverse reactions become equal to each other, but take place in opposite direction. The definition will not be completed if you're not going to write down that the both reactions are going to be take place in opposite direction, right? This is called dynamic equilibrium state. Now dynamic, what is the meaning of dynamic? Dynamic means reaction is still continuing. ये reaction अभी complete नहीं हुआ है, it is converted from one to another. At dynamic equilibrium state, rate of forward reaction is equal to rate of reverse reaction. So we have studied till chemical equilibrium state, and we have also studied कि उसकी दो further आगे possibilities हैं. One is static equilibrium and the other one is dynamic equilibrium, and we have also studied the examples. Right, then moving on the next page, which is page number 5. Page number 5. Okay, the next page is, now you can see I have put a cross over there. You can also cross it. Either you are going to cross the first one or the paragraph in the end. It is the same. हम start करते हैं पहले से, ये जिसको मैंने cross किया हुआ है. Now, if you see a graph is over here, and you can see on x-axis we have time in minutes, and on y-axis we have reaction rate. कि rate of reaction कितना है, कितना speedily this reaction is going to be carried out. And you can see at 0 time the reverse reaction, and the reaction rate on y-axis is forward rate of reaction decreases. जब ये दोनों points merge हो जाते हैं, we can say we have achieved the equilibrium, right? So in the beginning, as the concentration of the reactant is higher, means जब हमने reactants को add up किया है reactions में, reactants को, तो हमारी concentration higher है, means अभी reaction complete होना क्या start होना भी शुरू नहीं हुआ. So we can say the concentration of the reactant is higher than that of the products. Obviously, हम कोई भी काम करने लगे हैं, let's say take a very simple example. We have sugar, we have water, we have to mix it up. What we are going to do, अभी हमने sugar add की, we are going to add a little amount of water. Nothing happens without mixing. So concentration of sugar is the same, concentration of the water is the same. We will say कि beginning में concentration जो है वो always higher होगी as compared to जब हम उसका reaction start करेंगे and when it is going to be mixed, right? So same is the case in the beginning, as the concentration of the reactant is higher than that of the product, the rate of forward reaction is faster than the reverse reaction. Obviously जब तक reaction carried out नहीं होगा, how is it possible कि reverse reaction में वो चीज जाए? Forward reaction होगा, then it is possible that we have the reverse reaction. As the reaction proceeds, means if you start mixing that sugar with water, the concentration of reactants, sugar and water, will gradually decrease. Obviously, they are going to mix with each other और थोड़ी सी sugar आ जाएगी तो ये इसकी ratio क्या होगी, कम होना शुरू हो जाएगी. While that of the products will increase. Obviously, when you are mixing the sugar and water, तो क्या होगा, वो mix होते होते एक solution बन जाएगा that is converting into the products. तो फिर finally a stage will come when the forward reaction will become equal to the reverse reaction, that is known as equilibrium state. Consequently means as a result, the rate of the forward reaction will go on decreasing. कि forward reaction जो है वो भी decrease होना शुरू हो जाएगा because reaction is going to be completed almost, and the reverse reaction will go on increasing, and ultimately the two rates will become equal to each other. I just give you the example of sugar and water just for the sake of understanding. But over here, you can see hydrogen iodide की example है, which we have discussed previously. क्या हम hydrogen iodide जब gas बनती है, we can convert it into the other one as well, hydrogen and iodine as well, which is of purple color. So it is represented as, ये diagram बनी हुई है graph, you have to make it. You can see जहाँ पे ये दोनों points merge हो रहे हैं, this is the equilibrium state where rate of reverse and forward reaction is going to be equal. And you can either close the above paragraph or the last one, same paragraph लिखा हुआ है. For example, in the case of reaction between hydrogen and iodine vapors, some of the molecules react with each other to give hydrogen iodide. Then we have the same equation, and at the same time, हम इसी को reverse लिख देंगे. Some of the hydrogen iodide molecules decompose means break down back to hydrogen and iodine. Then we have the same paragraph which we have discussed above, और then we have represented it as, ये जो सारे का सारा लिखा हुआ है, ये वाली क्वेश्चन आप लिखेंगे. मैंने अब ऊपर वाला पैराग्राफ क्यों कट किया था, you can see it is represented as के आगे इक्वेशन नहीं लिखी हुई, जबकि वो बात कर रहे हैं कि दोनों के दोनों रिएक्शंस की. But if you see over here, जो कि मैंने स्क्रीन शेयर की हुई है, you can see it is represented as there is a reaction which is in both directions, forward and reverse. So that's why you have to cross the upper one paragraph, not the down one. Clear? Now moving on the next page, page number 6. Page number 6. Now we have some macroscopic characteristics of forward and reverse reaction. You can see it has come so many times. It is very, very important. Long 2012, 14, 17, 18, both times. It's your responsibility to see the page and mark it, hurry up. And then on reverse reaction, I have written it is short 2020. Means in 2020, it has come as a short question that what are the macroscopic characteristics of reverse reaction. If you have written, please give me a thumbs up. All right. Okay. Okay, so let's see forward reaction. Remember, in class 9, I have told you many times that whenever you are going to differentiate, you have to put a margin line and then you have to write down the difference. And a very major mistake which class 9 girls especially do, they are going to talk about one thing in forward reaction, they are going to talk about the other thing in the reverse reaction. No, you have to talk about the same things in number 1 point. Like if you are telling that I am a student of class 10, then the other side you are also required to tell that I am the student of class 9. Same thing is over here. Forward reaction, it is a reaction in which reactants react to form products. But what happens in the case of reverse reaction? जब भी आप किसी ऐसी चीज को याद करें तो आप एक चीज को अगर अच्छी तरीके से उस पर कमांड अपनी कर लें कंप्लीट, then you will be able to give answer of the second one easily. So you are going to write down the opposite of that. It is a reaction in which products react to produce reactants. Obviously बात है, आपको पता लगी गई होगी अब तक. Now what happens number 2? It takes place from left to right. Think about it. Forward reaction हमेशा इसी तरह से होता है. from left to right, arrow उसका मैंने आपको बताया था, you have to mark the arrow in the correct direction. And what happens in the case of reverse reaction? It is going from right to left. Third one, at initial stage, initial is starting, very starting. At initial stage, the rate of forward reaction is very fast because अभी तो कोई चीज mix up होना ही नहीं शुरू हुई, तो जल्दी जल्दी वो convert होगी. And what happens in the case of reverse? In the beginning, the rate of reaction is negligible. Negligible means equal to 0. Obviously, with the passage of time, it is going to be started. Then it will be going to upper side. Then it slows down gradually. ये आराम आराम से gradually होता है with the passage of time, आराम से slowly. And then it reverse reaction opposite हो जाएगा, it speeds up gradually. और हम मत करें, ऐसे चुप करें. Okay. Then we have macroscopic characteristics of dynamic equilibrium. It is very important, very, very important. Long 2016 and long 2017. Now here are 5 points and you have to make heading by yourself. आपने हर point की heading खुद से बनानी है. In the next lecture, I am going to ask about the headings either you have make or not. A few important characteristic features of dynamic equilibrium are given below. Number 1, dynamic equilibrium क्या है? वो equilibrium जिसमें rate of reverse reaction and rate of forward reaction is going to be equal and क्या होगा? Products मतलब उनकी जो quantity है, what will be study? It will be the same and it will take in the opposite direction. So number 1 system के लिए ये है that it should be a closed system, because if it is not a closed system, the gases which are going to be produced, they are going to be escaped out. That's why it must be a closed system. Number 2 point, the reaction should never be stopped and it should be in opposite direction, right? Third one, the concentration of reactants and products do not change. Means if we are adding 5 grams of something, the product will always be 5 grams and it will remain shuffle from one to another. The concentration is never exceeding from 5 grams. This is the very important property of dynamic equilibrium. And then number 4, an equilibrium state is always attainable from either way, that is starting from reactants or from products. Means उसने reactants से ही start होना है and then it is converted into the products and further. Number 5 is an equilibrium state can be disturbed and again achieved under the given conditions of concentration, pressure and temperature. Means you have seen the example of hydrogen iodide where we give the temperature and again it is going to convert it into its reactants. ऐसे ही है हाइड्रोजन आयोडाइड को जब हम हीट अप करना शुरू करते हैं, it is going to be converted into hydrogen and iodine. Iodine is of purple color. So we can disturb the reaction at any point and किन चीजों की बुनियाद पर we have pressure, we have concentration and temperature, so that a reaction can be disturbed and we will get the products accordingly. Now we have test yourself 9.1, that why reversible reactions never complete. Answer आपको पता होना चाहिए. I will ask in the next class, test yourself. Static equilibrium हमने अभी study किया है and the third one ये आप खुद से करके मुझे in the next class you will tell me. So this was all for today. If you have any question, you can ask me line by line. Just raise your hand, then I will answer you. Let me take the attendance. Saad is present, Fatima Aslam is present, Juwairiya Hamid, Muhammad Hassan, Mehak Salim, Mehrun Nisa and Zuhaib. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 students are present today.
Excuse me, sir. क्या आपने क्या homework में दिया अभी?
Beta, I didn't give you any homework. I just request all of you कि आप लोग जो हो सिर्फ इसको एक दफा go through लाजमी करें. Means अगर मैंने जितना आपको पढ़ाया, find out 5 to 10 minutes and read it line by line and understand the concept. जब आपको ये चीज clear होगी, it will be easy to learn all of you. Meanwhile आप ये कर सकते हैं, आप साथ साथ इसको याद करना शुरू करें. Homework आपको officially it will become in the written form from the school. All right? अभी आपको homework कोई भी नहीं दिया. And notes will definitely be provided to you for test yourself and short answers जिस तरह class 9 में आपको provide किए गए हैं. ठीक है? Understand है सबको? All of you get the points?
Yes, miss.
Yes, teacher.
Okay. जिन्होंने class में नहीं बोलना, they can give me a thumbs up.
Yes, Sara understand.
Zohaib,
टीचर
I am very
सबको
happy
समझ
जो
आ
आप
गया।
कहते हो टीचर, मुझे समझ आ गया। Okay, Mehak. Marunisa, what about you? Marunisa. Okay, Fatma. Marunisa, did you get it or not? No, Marunisa इधर है ही नहीं। नेक्स्ट टाइम मैंने आपको जो थोड़ा सा होमवर्क दिया है वो ये है दैट यू आर गोइंग टू डू द टेस्ट योरसेल्फ 9.1 बाय योरसेल्फ and in macroscopic characteristics of dynamic equilibrium you have to make headings by yourself। 5 points हैं और इनकी आपने headings बनानी है ताकि और heading ऐसी होनी चाहिए कि आपको देखते ही समझ आ जाए that what you have to write inside। The chapter is very easy and according to me this book class 10 book is quite easy than class 9 book। It's not that boring। No other questions? Class 9
No
other
question.
questions? Yes, Zohaib?
I said no question.
Okay. Okay, then see you in the next class, inshallah, which is on, I think, Monday?
Yes, Monday.
Monday at 9 o'clock? Javeria, is it 9 o'clock?
Teacher, time confirm नहीं है।
It's the first period.
Yes, ma'am. 9 o'clock
Nine.
Monday. I have checked.
Okay, it's 9 o'clock. I am asking because many of you will be sleeping at that time. So please wake up. 9 o'clock,
teacher.
सारे बच्चे present होने चाहिए because every topic is interrelated with each other. अगर आप एक भी topic skip करोगे, you will not be able to get a command on the next topic. ठीक है?
टीचर
ऐसा ना हो कि मुझे बच्चे कह रहे हो टीचर we are sleeping.
टीचर स्कूल कब खुल रहे हैं?
Yes. But it's
Officially
not
school?
officially known yet.